guys, welcome back to Budget Friendly Cooking. I am Donna and today we're going to make a cold yogurt soup. It's called Okroshka. It's a Russian soup and it's made of yogurt, cucumbers, boiled potatoes, eggs, radishes, and very important ingredient is dill, a little bit of salt and pepper. So I have all the ingredients here. You just need to do a little bit of preparation. You have to boil your potatoes, just like you boil the potatoes, depending on the size. If they are small, it's gonna take about 10-12 minutes. If they are bigger, then it's gonna take longer. So you know how to boil the potatoes. You also need to boil some eggs. I have some hard-boiled eggs here. I have all the ingredients that I have here are for 2 portions. So I have like half of the English cucumber here, 3 radishes, about half a cup of yogurt. I have this Greek yogurt, which is kind of thick and strained, and I'm going to thin it with a little bit of water. And we have some dill here and 1 scallion, and I made this oil with dill. So I blended olive oil with dill, so I'm going to drizzle it on top so to give this beautiful color and flavor at the end. All right, so I have everything prepped, so we're just gonna, cut everything into cubes and build our soup. Well, if you have this hand blender, that will be helpful, but if you don't have it, you can always use the whisk, right? So I'm going to use this container and build my soup here. Have about half a cup of yogurt, plain yogurt here. And I might need a little more. I'm going to use 1 cup. Okay. And it's always good to add water gradually. I have 1 cup water. I'm going to start with half a cup, and I'm going to add some dill here, right here. We need a little bit of salt, just half a teaspoon, and freshly grated black pepper, right? And I'm just going to blend this together to give it like strong dill flavor to my soup. This is actually a beautiful consistency. I'm gonna add a little bit of water, just a little. Okay. Because after I add this to the add vegetables in this sauce, yogurt sauce, it's gonna thicken the sauce. The potatoes and eggs and. Looks perfect. Just gonna drop everything here. All those veggies. Let's do like this. Right, it's better. And if the soup is thick, you can always add more liquid. But I think it will be good. It doesn't have to be very thin. And you can keep in the container. Just cover it and put it in the fridge. but I'm gonna try that because it's kind of dinner time and it's very refreshing soup. It kind of needs a little time to set all the flavors so that the potatoes absorb the flavors from the sauce and the dill and everything. You can always add lemon juice. I think lemon juice will be good in that. Right, we're gonna add lemon juice. I was actually watching Allison Ramen this morning, and she hated this tool, and I love this tool. I think this does a really great job, like squeezing lemons and holding the seeds. So, oh well. There you go. So I made this soup last week for one of my customers. Until then, I never made this soup. I think I had it at my friend's once in my childhood, so I don't know. Should be good. I kind of like the consistency. It looks pretty good. Pretty nice. All right, that should be enough. So I think that's good for 2 people. And I'm gonna drizzle my dill oil. Oh, look how pretty is that. There you go. And you can always garnish with a little more dill and some chopped radishes and a little more cucumbers. And voila, we have this Okroshka cold yogurt soup with all those beautiful veggies. So it needs some time to chill in the fridge, but I'm still gonna taste it. So good. The olive oil that I made with dill is really fantastic. So this is the oil. So you just chop the dill, put it in the olive oil, and blend it. And then you can use it for any kind of dishes, any soups or salads to drizzle over. All right, I guess that's it for today. I hope you liked it. I hope you're gonna make this beautiful, easy, simple, delicious, and healthy soup. And I will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.